IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. How do you feel when you see a clear blue sky? Band 5. Answer.
When I see a clear blue sky, I feel happy because the weather is nice. It makes me want to go outside and enjoy the day.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Simple and clear, but very basic. Lexical resource. Repetitive words like nice and happy. Grammar, mostly correct, but limited structures. Pronunciation, generally understandable. Typical of a Band 5. Safe, short, and emotionally shallow. Pleasant but forgettable. Band 7.5 Answer.
When I see a clear blue sky, I usually feel uplifted and more energetic. It puts me in a good mood and motivates me to be productive or spend time outdoors.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence. Smooth and well-structured. Lexical resource, better range. Uplifted, energetic, motivates. Grammar, varied sentence forms used accurately. Pronunciation, clear and natural. Typical of a Band 7.5. Thoughtful, fluent, and comfortably expressive. Band 9 Answer.
A clear blue sky instantly lifts my mood because it creates a sense of calm and possibility. It feels refreshing, almost symbolic, as if the day itself is offering a clean slate.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence, effortless and engaging. Lexical resource, precise and evocative, symbolic, clean slate. Grammar, sophisticated yet natural. Pronunciation, fully natural and expressive. Typical of a Band 9, controlled, vivid, and just a little poetic, without trying too hard. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.